Something round is rolling toward us.
Meet my fastest rolling cage.
Why is it rolling so wildly?
Because nobody can stop it.
It is heading straight for me. I cannot stop rolling in here.
This cage is not slowing down.
Nobody stops my rolling cage.
Please find another way soon. Wait, it's slowed down over there.
Good catch, Mercury.
Why did those rocks slow it?
Rough rocks creates more resistance.
So rolling becomes harder there?
Yes, the cage loses speed faster.
Then we need to quickly move it onto a rocky surface.
Guide it toward that rocky patch.
Mars, push from the other side.
Saturn, hold tight inside.
I will try my best.
Keep my cage away from those rocks.
No way. We are heading there. I am not spinning as fast.
Let's keep it moving across the rocks.
Take this.
It is rolling faster again.
I will block the cage.
I will push it back.
Keep it on the rocks.
The cage is almost stopped. I can finally stand properly. I am opening the latch now. I am free.
You guys ruined my plan.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com. I can see a huge stone ahead.
Welcome to my stone trap.
What does your trap do?
It crushes anyone who comes close.
Do not use it on anyone.
Too late.
It is coming at me. I am trapped underneath.
Jupiter is under the stone.
We must lift it quickly.
It is too heavy.
It is almost impossible to move.
My stone is stronger than both of you.
The lid is pressing down.
What should we do, AumSum?
We can use a lever.
A lever? How can that lift this stone?
We place a long rock over a smaller rock.
Then we push one end of the long rock down?
Yes, that will make the other end rise.
And the rising end will lift the stone lid.
Exactly.
I found a long flat rock.
And here is a small round rock.
Put the small rock near the lid.
Done.
Now slide the long rock under the lid.
Done.
Now rest the long rock on the small one.
Done.
It looks like a seesaw.
That is how a lever works.
Do not use a lever on my trap.
It is getting tighter. We must hurry.
Mars, push the free end of the long rock down.
Aye, aye, Captain.
The lid lifted slightly. It is working.
I will push the lid back down.
We have to hurry, guys.
Mars, now push down again with all your strength.
Don't you dare, Mars!
Just watch me, evil planet.
I am almost out.
Saturn, now you give it a try.
With pleasure, AumSum. I am free.
My stone trap failed. Welcome to my stretchy trap.
That planet is covered in rubber ropes.
Move away, rubber face.
Come closer and say that.
Mars, do not rush.
It is coming toward me.
Earth, move!
I am stuck. Earth is caught in the web.
I will tear it open.
Wait, Mars.
It is not tearing. Okay, that was rude.
My rubber always bounces back.
I am getting out of this trap. It keeps dragging me in.
This is elasticity.
What is elasticity?
Something stretch and return to shape.
Like a rubber band?
Exactly.
So pulling harder makes it worse?
Yes, it stretches and snaps back.
Now, Earth is mine.
I cannot move an inch. We need a smarter way.
How do we stop stretchy rubber?
Rubber becomes less stretchy when it is cooler.
So we must cool the web?
Yes!
Where do we get coolness?
My clouds can block the villain's heat.
No, my warm rays keep it stretchy.
That is the secret.
I will shade the web. Please hurry, Venus.
It is pulling Earth tighter.
Good, the web is cooling.
It feels less tight.
What should I do, AumSum?
Just hold the web steady. Earth, slowly try to get out of the web.
I can definitely move now.
You cannot escape my trap.
I am free.
My stretchy trap failed.
What is that strange planet?
Welcome to the giant bubble planet.
Come closer.
That does not sound friendly.
What is that thing?
It is full of air.
The bubble pushed you back!
Bounce more, Moon. Bounce more.
I want to bounce again.
Carefully, Moon.
Bigger jump, Moon. Bigger.
It hugged me.
Moon, move back.
It is still holding me.
Moon,
Hey,
Moon is trapped.
guys, help me.
You are mine now.
Still trapped.
Why is it pushing back?
Now I understand.
Please explain quickly.
This is air pressure.
air pressure?
Air may look empty, but it can still push.
So the air inside is pushing outward?
Exactly.
The air is pushing from every side?
Yes,
So if I push hard, the air pushes back hard.
correct.
Push harder.
No, that is what it wants. Wait, that part is different.
It looks thinner.
Good observation.
We should not burst the bubble. We should just let the air out slowly.
Excellent thinking, Earth.
How?
Press gently near that opening.
Something is happening.
Air is escaping.
Oh no.
I am finally free.
My bubble failed.